My name is Gituku. I'm 15 years old. I was born on 21st April 2007. I was born in the United States of America in the state of California, but I currently reside in Kenya, Kakamega County. I'm a son to my mother, Deborah Muchila, and a brother to my two siblings, Chenda Gituku and Jean Gituku. Okay, what took me to Bangkok, of course, is the World Scholars Competition. It's basically a competition that involves debating, an exam of 120 questions, and a writing of an essay. So what category I won? I was the best debater in my school and also at large at the whole competition. I was featured in the debate showcase. I was also one of the champions of the collaborative writing. Okay, so it was a global round that involved 22 countries, and out of the 22 countries, each of them selected a group of 4 debaters. So in that 4 debaters, we all debated in specific classes. So there was the senior class and the junior class. I was in the senior class. And once you debate in front of the judge, they happen to mark points with each individual debate to eventually come out with the strongest debater out of it all. Now, the strongest debater will be featured in a showcase. The showcase in which the strongest debater from each and every country who has had the honor of actually representing their country will be showcased there. They'll be given a motion, they'll team up with other debaters from other countries, and from that is where they determine who the best debater overall of all the 22 countries is. So I got the opportunity to participate in that debaters showcase, and I'd like to think I excelled, and I was able to be awarded with the Best Debaters Prize in all the 22 countries. Now for the collaborative writing, you're basically given a topic and you're supposed to build an essay from it. So we were given a topic from each, there's 6 subjects, so I got a topic, I picked one. After picking one, I wrote an essay about it, and I was able to come up above top 20 in the collaborative essay competition. Of course, the best part is the introduction of different cultures. Albert Einstein once said, diversity inspires unity, and there I got to find different cultures that helped me build connections and relationships that I have a feeling they will build up to a greater future ahead. So yeah, meeting new people, building connections, sharing ideas, I feel like that was the best part of World Scholars Cup competition. Okay, how I stay successful. First, I think I set a goal. I don't like moving through life without aim, so I always have an aim at the back of my head. And I know sometimes people lack the confidence to know that they can achieve this aim, but my confidence is something I've been able to build on. And I know whatever the aim or goal I set, I am able to achieve it. And I strive to actually achieve it. I do the work, I do the planning to make sure that whatever I do is leading towards achieving this goal. That's how I stay successful. I know I'm very privileged to be able to get such an opportunity. I know other people may not have access to this. So whatever small or large opportunity you come across, it's very key in your life as a teenager. Join it. I know there's sometimes the fear of you might not be successful, but we'll cross that bridge when we get there. With good preparation, I firmly believe that anyone can be successful in whatever they plan to join in. So once you get that opportunity as a teenager, don't miss out on it. Don't tell yourself that, you know what, it doesn't matter, I'll still get a corporate job and work somewhere. No, it helps you build your experiences. It even builds your character to some extent. So don't pass on these opportunities. Please join them as teenagers. Try connecting to the world at large and even your nation. That's what I'd say.